Have you ever worked on a really long Excel sheet and lost track of what was written in the top row? I'll show you how to fix this problem in seconds. First, make sure you click on the View tab in the top menu. Next, click on Freeze Panes. You'll see three options here: Freeze Panes, Freeze Top Row, and Freeze First Column. Since we want to keep the top row visible, select Freeze Top Row. And that's it. Now, even if you scroll all the way down to row 178, you can still see exactly what's in your header. And if you ever want to change it back, just click on Freeze Panes again and select Unfreeze Panes. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.